This is a thoughtfully planned 4-floor building where each level serves a purpose. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are here in BTM 4th stage presenting a beautifully designed 4-floor residence that perfectly balances the rental income, functionality and a comfortable family living. Today, building a home is not just about living. It is about creating a comfortable lifestyle and a smart investment. At Srihari Groups, we focus on designing buildings that are both functional and future ready. This building behind is a perfect example of that vision. This is a thoughtfully planned 4-floor building where each level serves a purpose. The ground floor is for the commercial use, the first floor is for the rental income, and the upper floors are for the private living, creating a perfect balance between comfort and smart investment. As this building is now under construction, let us take a look at how each level is shaping up. This is the commercial space on the ground floor. Positioned for maximum visibility and accessibility, this space has been planned to support a wide range of business opportunities. The open layout, generous frontage and strategic location make it ideal for retail, office or service-oriented establishments. Moving up from the commercial space on the ground floor, we arrive at the first floor where the building introduces its residential side with a well-planned 2 BHK unit designed for rental purpose. This not only provides comfortable living for the occupants but also generates additional income for the owner. As we move on to the upper floors, the space transforms into a duplex house designed specially for private living. This floor acts as the main living zone, featuring a spacious living area, an integrated puja unit and a fully functional kitchen area with the storage unit. Now moving on to the third and fourth floor of the building. In the third floor, we have designed 3 bedrooms, and in the fourth floor, we have designed a family lounge with a connected terrace. This project shows how a smart design can maximize both space and value. At Srihari Groves, Bangalore, we believe in creating spaces which are functional and future ready. If you're looking something similar to this, feel free to reach us out. We would love to bring your vision to reality.